Shut up. All right. So in my last video, um, what's up, guys? My name is Martin Brush, and today we'll be discussing my yeah. I think that's what I should be. Yeah. She don't wanna handle it bad. She don't wanna handle it bad. Yeah. Okay. So today we're gonna be discussing. Welcome to Gateway Inc. And look, I'm fluid. I don't have a particular pattern of how I start my videos. Well, this is my first streaming. I'm not streaming. This is my first YouTube uploading day. So you guys are gonna get used to all this. So yeah, so the last time we discussed GGPJPY, like where I entered here and then my TP is here. So the market's gonna open in a couple of hours. So we see what happens there. It's all probability. The outcome doesn't matter. What matters is I follow my strategy, right? So this is all I follow, and that's it. And then the last previous times it was this one. So I'm waiting for price to waiting for the week to start. So today, I believe, now this one is still quite far. This one as well quite far. EJ. Yeah, EJ, GJ, all the same thing. I don't know if I'm going to talk about that one as well. And then EU, right? So now this, yeah, I think no need for this one. Oh, yeah. So this one is GBP AUD, right? So like I said, I have a specific pattern that I follow. Right? I've done my back testing. I wait for this. I enter with buy limits, sell limits. I'm not watching the charts. I set all of this way ahead of time, right? So, like I said before, this is the shoulder. This is typical heads and shoulder. You guys know how to trade. So, my entry is, yeah, the last candle, that made it. The last candle, right? So, this is price will come back like to retest this area, right? So, like, new, what's this stuff? Change of character, change of structure, whatever the name of this part. And then price with a new high, it's coming back down here, you know, to to grab the remaining orders. Right? Super simple, nothing nothing that's a 5 year old can do. Like that's how trading should be, right? Wait. You wait and wait and wait, until price comes up in. I didn't take any trade like last week because there was no trade, but I kept on waiting and waiting and waiting. Yeah, so price is gonna come here like if it doesn't come here, that's fine. If it comes there, we just wait. Right, that's what I do. I wait and I wait and I wait. So put our entry here, and then put our, stop loss. Just give it a little bit of space, just in case. Yeah. So yeah. So for my TP is gonna be uh yeah, like the last. It's gonna be a little bit difficult. It's gonna be quite easy. Right? So um, yeah, this should be with my TP is right. So yeah, exactly this candle. Yeah, so this is not for like this is for beginners. We're all learning. We're all learning. So yeah, that's it. So this is the last, like, the last important candle that took out this low. Yeah, I took out this low. Yeah, that's what my TP is. So price probably going to get to this shoulder as well, but like, just this is how many RR is this? With my eyes, this should be 2.67. That's what I need. I can even, yeah, I don't like touching my stop losses, right? So, but yeah, so that's the last candle that that took out this low, like like intermediary low. Yeah, so I put my TP there and then you know that's all. Like this is not magic. Anybody can do this. It's nothing special. All those guys in Wall Street. This is like yeah, it's very simple. Very simple. Just wait. I wait, and I wait. As always, guys. Advice. That's what I'm giving. This is my own journey. Martial Martin's journey starts when I become official, right? When Gateway Inc. becomes live, whether it's a couple of years time, whatever time God wants to give me. So when I become live, then I can say, oh, you know, yeah, but let me know if I'm put myself into trouble. So yes, I'm giving advice, just guiding guys. I'm guiding guys. So that's it, man. That's all. That's Nothing special here. can use any time frame you want to use. You get like as long as you can see the level clearly. Exactly, that's the word. As long as you can see those levels like clearly like this. Well, that's it. See those levels clearly you take it. But if you can't see like this one, I won't take this one because I can't really see anything here. Yeah, this is the shoulder, this is head, but like yeah, so this one, yeah. As you can see, like price has to bounce. Like, it's gonna bounce. Just show that clearly and then it bounces a little bit. Very simple stuff. Very simple stuff. Alright guys, that's it. That's it from me. And we're gonna